I'm mad at Disney. Hello you guys, welcome to my channel Styling with Shirin, and in today's video I'm going to do this look right here. It's a really nice brown look for this new year 2021, and this look has turned out pretty well. And yeah, so if you want to know how I got this look, then please continue watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, let's get started. I'm mad at Disney. They tricked me, had me wishing on a shooting star. But now I'm 20 something, I still know nothing about who I am or what I'm not. So call me a pessimist, but I don't believe in it. Finding a true love kiss is bullshit. Cause I felt sad love, I felt bad love, sometimes happy love, sometimes end up giving up. I felt hurt love, by the word love. What the hell is love supposed to feel like? What the hell is love? What the hell is love? What the hell is love supposed to feel like?
Carry me away to this castle, where we will live happily ever after.
My fairy grandma warns me Cinderella's story only ended in a bad divorce. The prince ain't sleeping when he takes his sleeping beauty to the motel on his snow white horse. So call me a pessimist, but I don't believe in it. Finding a true love's kiss is bullshit. Cause I felt sad love, I felt bad love, sometimes happy love, sometimes end up giving up. I felt hurt love, by the word love. What the hell is love supposed to feel like? What the hell is love? What the hell is love? What the hell is love supposed to feel like? What the hell is love? What the hell is love? What the hell is love supposed to feel like? I'm mad at Disney. They tricked me. No more wishing on a shooting star. Thanks for watching my video, and if you really enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.